Hey guys, this is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson and North County, Indian. Today it is an honor to show you this 2016 Street Glide. This was a limited color. This is olive gold. This bike is perfectly set up. You have docking hardware, grips, highway pegs. All the pedals have been adjusted. Low miles on this 103 cubic inch 6-speed transmission. I believe it's at 34,690. All LED lights, a Freedom exhaust. We're open 6 days a week. Come take her for a spin, see how she looks in your garage. Check this out. This one doesn't work out for you. I have a lot of motorcycles. Pan that way, please. Biggs Harley Davidson, North County, Indian. We'll see you when you get here.